Hello everyone and welcome to this video. Today we are going to be talking about the 8 style ball splitter. So let's get started. So this is the 8 style ball splitter itself. And this is a very special ball splitter with a very unique look and design. The ball splitter makes it possible to stimulate the penis and balls at the same time as you want. It is adjustable, as you can see here. It's very easy and simple to do. The material is made of a soft silicone, so it's very soft and smooth to the touch and will feel really comfortable and soft during use. The material is also stretchy for the perfect fit. So you can decide how tight you want to wear it. Simply put it on, press the buttons to your selection and experiment with the different shapes. Now when using this 8 style ball splitter, we recommend for you to use a water-based lubricant for extra comfort during use. And of course make sure to clean after every use using a toy cleaner and a dry lint-free cloth, or you can also use a mild antibacterial soap and lukewarm water. And that is the 8 style ball splitter by the Bonus Collection. If you have any questions, drop a comment below and we will get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you so much for watching and we'll see you again next time.